Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add filters on your pictures or videos. For now, I'm just going to show you using picture, but it's basically the same thing. And what I'm just going to show you is a few filters that you can sort of adjust yourself. And at first, I'm going to be showing you how to add the pastel filter. So first I'm just going to click on the picture and I'm just going to press filters and click winter and adjust it to around 40%. Press checklist. Then I am going to go to adjust and I'm going to go to brightness and add around 5. Then contrast, I'm going to click on -30 and saturation add around 5. After that, I am going to want to go to sharpen and add a 5. And let's go to highlights, -25. And shadow, I'm going to add around 55. Temperature, I'm just going to add around 5. And let's see, hue, I'm going to add around 23. And lastly, fade, I am going to add 25. And this is the first filter. This is a pastel filter. Alright, and this is the pastel filter. And after that, I'm going to show you how to do this sort of indie filter. So I'm just going to go back and just delete all of the filters we put on just now. And first, I'm going to click on the picture again, and I am going to go to the Adjust tab, and I am going to put the brightness till 10. Oh my gosh, my hands are a little shaky. Around 10. Okay. Contrast -25. Saturation 30. Exposure, I don't think we use that. Sharpen around 50. Oopsies. This would just highlight -10. Shadow 75. And temperature 8. And this is the indie filter. And now I'm going to be showing you how to use, I'm going to be showing you the other indie filter. So this is the second one. So filters, tan, and I am going to go to adjust. Let's go to brightness and let's go to 7. Whoops. Contrast -8. Saturation 8. Sharpen 50. Highlight 10. And shadow around 60. And this is your second indie filter. And now I'm going to be showing you like a retro filter. So I'm just going to go back and delete these filters first. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add an overlay for this one, and I just searched a brown image on Google. So around this color, let's resize it, and I am going to go to Splice and overlay it. Just that. And after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Filters and search for Sepia, if I could just find it. I think it's in retro, or is it in black and white? Okay, it's in style, so I'm just going to press this filter and add around 40%. Then I am going to go back and let's go to effects and let's go to retro and search for, let's see if it is here. Okay, it's the 90s filter, and then I think I'm going to adjust it. If I can just you can adjust it a little bit or not. I'm just going to adjust it a little, and I'm also going to add another effect that is the retro noise. So it's under retro again, so I'm just going to find, if I can just find it. Okay, there is noise 1 or noise 2, whichever one suits your video the best. And this is basically sort of your retro filter. And now I'm going to be showing you 2 more filters. Let's just delete this one. So this is a filter called Soft Aesthetics. So I'm just going to click on this and go to adjust, and let's go back. Brightness 22, contrast around 6, saturation 7, sharpen 35, highlight 50, so just all the way. Temperature -16, hue 36, and just press the checkmark button and go to filters and find the 1980 filter, this one, and turn it down to around 50. And this is the Soft Aesthetic filter. And let's move to the last filter, which is the Dark Aesthetic filter. The Dark Aesthetic filter. Then let's go back. Alright, so let's go and click on that and adjust and go to brightness around 43. Contrast around 6, saturation 21, sharpen 55, alright, and then I'm going to want to go to filters and search for VHS 3 and around 50. And after that, oh, actually, sorry, my bad. Let's go back to adjustment, and it is actually, the brightness is around negative 43. I'm just going to, and the contrast is actually -6. All right. And I'm actually now just going to add effects. So let's go back and let's press effects. And I am going to add the 90s effects. And I think that is right. Hold on, I might be wrong. I'm so sorry. I think I'm just going to add around this much because the picture is actually already too bright. Obviously, just adjust it to your picture. Mine was really bright. That's why when I added brightness, it was too bright. And this is sort of the dark aesthetic one, but I think you're gonna need a darker picture for this. As you can see, this picture is very light. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate and write it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer all of them. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!